Match is presented by Credit One Tornado match.
Michael Cole, because that was the Creed brothers. That was Brutus and Julius. And launched into the light. Powerhouse.
Goodness!
Leo.
Oh! Now El Grande gonna fly. Moonsault taking everybody. Superplex.
Hey, I do my job.
Oh.
Like you do.
Face first. Now the OG, what a toss. And face first.
Are you kidding me? Unbelievable.
Oh, what a throw by the
National territory. Bruno Credo.
Flying head.
This is brilliant.
Ooh, it
Goes.
3 jump. High flyers galore. Triple. And now the OG. Double team. El Grande. Plate comes in handy.
To help the psyche and the momentum.